In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate your game files in Steam and save valuable time in the process. Whether you're troubleshooting, modding, or simply curious about where your games are stored, knowing how to find these files can be incredibly useful. So let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to fire up your Steam application. If you're not already logged in, you'll be directed to a login screen. To proceed, click on the login button. If by chance you're greeted by the login prompt, all you need to do is enter your account name and password. Make sure to double check your details to avoid any hiccups. Once that's sorted, click on the sign in button and Steam will take you directly to your home page. It's good to make sure you're in the right account, especially if you have multiple ones, or share the device with someone else. With your home page in front of you, navigate over to the library tab. You'll find it at the top along with other options like store, community and more. Your library is essentially your personal game shelf where all your owned titles are displayed. Once there, scroll through your games list and locate the specific game whose files you want to access. Click on it to ensure it's highlighted. Selecting the game opens up a host of additional options about the title, including achievements, updates and more. The next move involves right-clicking on the game title. A drop-down menu will appear. From the list, select Properties. Opening the Properties window allows you to tweak settings specific to that game, but for this guide we're heading straight to the Local Files tab. This tab is your gateway to the actual game files stored on your computer. Now you're looking for a specific button labelled Browse Local Files. Clicking this button acts as a shortcut, taking you directly to the folder where all the game files are housed on your system. And there you have it, an instant and easy way to access essential files. This feature is particularly handy for anyone looking to install mods, perform manual updates, or simply back up their games. Remember, tinkering with game files can sometimes lead to unexpected behaviour, so it's always a good practice to keep backups of important files before making any changes. With that, you now have a streamlined method to locate your game files in Steam with ease. It's a small piece of knowledge that can save you a lot of time, especially if you're dealing with large libraries. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other guides for more helpful tips.